Hi, I'm Samantha Bradshaw, a second grade teacher at Jefferson Lighthouse Elementary School. I am so excited to share Junie B. Jones is Captain Field Day with you today. Junie B. Jones is Captain Field Day is a humorous story of kindergartners attending Field Day. In the story, Room 8 and Room 9 are in a battle to see who will win the events. Will Room 8 keep winning the events? Will Junie B lead her team to victory? Or will another classmate save the day? While reading this story, my second graders could not let me stop reading. They even wanted to stay in for recess so we could finish the tale. One of my favorite things about reading Junie B. Jones aloud to my students is that I can really get into the character. Let me read an excerpt for you. In this part of the story, Grace and Junie B are on the phone and they're talking about Field Day. Grace, it's me. It's Junie B. Jones. I am so glad to hear your voice. You're not sick, are you, Grace? You're still coming to Field Day, right? Grace giggled real loud. Of course I'm coming to Field Day, silly, she said. I have to come to Field Day, remember? I am the fastest runner in kindergarten. One of the things I like to do is use these books for Reader's Theater. With Reader's Theater, students are able to practice fluency by expressing their tone while reading the passages. A digital or in-person option for teachers is to have their students read from Junie B aloud in Seesaw or another digital recording platform. She has a wide range of emotion that students can practice intonation and expression with. Students can make predictions on how Junie B and her class can defeat the opposing classroom. Students may draw on past experiences with Field Day or use problem-solving techniques they've used throughout the school year. In the event your students cannot attend a Field Day this year, you could host a reading party reading Junie B. Jones is Captain Field Day. During this reading party, your students can create capes to represent themselves. They can wear them and parade around your school or classroom. One of the things I hope my students take away from this story is a good model for leadership and good sportsmanship. This is an exciting and hilarious book for a read aloud. I hope that you add it to your classroom library.